Hey everybody, it's Justin here, aka Demonic Sweaters. Today I've got another Audacity tutorial for you guys, and today's video is going to be about how to turn a song into stems, like individual tracks, drums, bass, guitar, and vocals, all using Audacity and 100% for free. This is really cool that Audacity can do this, but in order to do it, what you need to do is actually install the AI effects for Audacity, and that is just located at this address right here. I'll post a link down below, but these are OpenVino effects is what they're called, and basically you have several different effects here, and one of them is music separation, which is the ability to separate mono or stereo track into individual stems, as in bass, drums, vocals, and other instruments. It also has some other ones here, but I'm not going to go over those in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to have to download and install the OpenVino plugins, either for Mac or Windows. Unfortunately, there is no Linux version as far as I know, but once you run the installer, it will prompt you to which one of these you want to install. I just went with music separation, noise suppression, and music generation. Music generation doesn't work that well, so I don't really recommend installing it, but the music separation does work really well. So let's go ahead here and check out how to do this. So I've got a song loaded up. Let me just turn down the volume a little bit so it doesn't blow you guys away here. Okay, and I'm going to go to, first I have to highlight it, then I'm going to go to Effect, and this is after I install the plugins. Go to Effect, go down to OpenVino AI Effects, and then select Music Separation. And then I'm going to select down here, I have two options. I have 2 stems, which is instrumental and vocals, and then 4 stems, which is drums, bass, vocals, and others. So I'm going to select the second one, and then leave everything else alone, and then click Apply. It is going to take about 15 minutes probably for this to complete its task, so I'm going to pause the video and come back when it finishes. All right, it finished up. The total process took about, 10 to 15 minutes. I actually went and took a shower, so I didn't keep a close eye on it, but it was finished when I got back. And this is what you end up with. So up here on the top, we have our original track. Now if I mute that, and just listen to the others, now everything's separated here. So I have drums, bass, and then other instruments, which is guitars and synths, and then vocals. And if we're a drummer, or if you're a drummer like me, you can mute the drums and then create your own drum cover with this. And this is just insanely cool. I really am impressed that Audacity can do this. There's online tools that can do this that I've been using, but most of them charge a fee. Some of them give you like a free demo that you can use, but this really does just as good a job that those do, and this is totally free. So yeah, you really can't beat it. If you want to record your own drum covers, or even if you did like vocal, karaoke and stuff like that, or if you just wanted to hear the individual parts of the songs, this is really great. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. My name is Justin. I go by Demonic Sweaters. I've been doing this stuff here on YouTube for like 15 years. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all soon. Have a great day.